Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to edit automation rules in System.io quickly and easily. First, log into your System.io account. From the dashboard, click Automation and then Rules. You'll now see a list of all your existing automation rules. Find the rule you want to edit and click on it. You can now change the trigger if you want the automation to start from a different event. You can also update the action, such as subscribing contacts to a different campaign, adding a new tag, granting course access, or sending a different email. Review the automation carefully to make sure the trigger and action still work together. After making your changes, click Save. It's a good idea to test the updated automation using a test contact to ensure everything works correctly. If needed, return to the rule and make additional adjustments until you're satisfied. Editing automation rules regularly helps keep your funnels and email marketing campaigns running smoothly. That's it. You've successfully edited automation rules in System.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick System.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.